one of our newest collection is our Doodle Monogram. So show them that collection, Lauren.
Oh my gosh, so this is the cutest collection. What I'm showing you right now is how we took the collection of the letters and made this really cute pillow out of it.
We have Hawaiian Quilt 2, and it is just phenomenal. Show them how beautiful it is, Lauren.
Holy cannolis, this is just beautiful. It has that Hawaiian flair. You can, of course, mix and match and pick your colors as you choose. And because it's our quilting design, it's going to come in multiple sizes for you. Now, Brianna, as if this quilt couldn't get any more beautiful, I'm going to really wow them. Are you ready?
Oh, yes. They're going to love this part.
We have taken our Hawaiian quilt and we have turned it into a bag. Now, again, because it's mix and match sizing, we've used the smaller size blocks to create this. If I'm going to Hawaii or if I'm just going to the grocery store, I need this bag, aloha, right? Okay.
Everybody loves a good bag, right? You can never have too many bags.
Never.
I know men seem to think you can, but women really can never have too many bags.
Listen,
that is my solid belief.
Bags inside of bags.
Yes,
absolutely.
Yes, exactly. So this one here is our Rustic Autumn.
This collection is absolutely fantastic. It is using applique and our wonderful embroidery designs to create these stitch outs. Again, these would be great for the fall, for decor.
Well, another one of our quilting collections from this month is our Sleepy Babies. So this quilt is so beautiful and features these adorable little hand-drawn sleeping animals.
Now, everybody loves baby animals, and this collection is for you or the little ones. Of course, they're sleeping, all the little babies. You have your sashing in this collection as well. It is just adorable.
Let's see, up next, I think we should show them that printed clutch. It is such a fun project.
And what we show you in our directions is how to take the quilt block and make these beautiful bags. How gorgeous is this? We have embellished this as well. So I don't know if you can see it quite in the light, but it has a twinkle and a sparkle because we added some embellished beads to it. We, of course, have the opening. Let's see if I know how to open this. We walk you through it. We've lined it, and we've added this chain. So you could literally make your own purses. As we said, bags upon bags. You can customize with this collection, and these come in different sizes, so you can also make smaller bags if you don't want one this large.
Be sure you head on over to AnitaGoodDesign.com and check out information about All Access and how you can get your hands on all of these designs and even more. That's just a sampling of what we have for August.
Thank you so much for joining Brianna and I, because we love flipping through the All Access with you.
Yes, absolutely. Thanks, y'all. See you next time.